Hi guys, today mom is doing my hair. We just finished.
So our hair is finally done. Turn around so they can see it. So I did some knotless box braid.
This is not
That is knotless. So decided to do the knotless for less tension on our hair and on our scalp. So
and me and mom has the same thing. You guys can see last time.
Turn around so they can see it.
She wants to go.
So now I'm gonna hot water the ends, put some mousse and spray it up.
And guys, do you want to smell this?
They can't smell it. So turn around, let's do the hot water.
Okay. Are we scared and hot? It's a little bit burned, but it's steam. It's steam. Mom.
Let's move this over.
Yeah, because we don't want you guys to burn.
Oh, they're gonna be burnt. Turn around.
That's
Turn
hot
around.
water.
All right, guys. So now I'm gonna put our hair in some hot water so it can
Guys, this is gonna burn
seal
for
the
me.
end. Turn the head. So you have to hold your head near. Don't move. Remember, it's hot water. So bring your head as back as you can. Right.
Guys,
Let
this
go
is
the
a lot
front.
of steam. Ah!
Don't move. It's just the steam. You're not getting burned.
What happens if I don't?
Do not move. All right. Let's hold your head up.
If you guys want to know how to do knot braids,
Knotless.
knotless braids. Oh!
Don't. Hold your head. It's just a towel. All right, let them see what the ends look like. So, water is so hot. Look at the. I'm just gonna hot water it once. I'm not gonna hot water it again. So now I'm gonna put some mousse.
You guys do not know what's in
Turn
this.
around.
Oh! It looks like I have whipped cream on my head.
Yep.
It looks like I have whipped cream. Guys, this is actually getting all over me. And mom, I just take the shower.
Yeah, leave it.
So, I'm just helping, you know.
Move your hand. All right, guys. So that's it for the mousse.
Now we're gonna move on to the spray. We're gonna move on to the spray.
The oil sheen
Make your hair smell good.
and shiny. All right. So that's it, and this is being done for school.
Yep,
You
and
excited for school?
not really.
Excuse you?
Just a little bit.
Why not?
Because people are gonna make fun of me.
It's not even funny. What are you most excited about for school?
Doing homework.
Homework? You love homework? Guys, Nia will be going in what grade?
First grade.
First grade. My baby is not a baby anymore. So guys, I'm just fixing her edges. I don't know why.
Guys, it's good that I'm not in pre-K anymore. Sleeping babies. That was when I was 4 years old or something.
So guys, that's the finishing product. Turn around so they can see. Let them see your edges. Alright guys, so tell me how I did. Alright guys, so this is Nia. Nia here is ready for school. So let's get to the boys.
And I'm gonna do this.
Stay tuned.
And they're gonna get
Their
hair
cut.
trimmed.
Yeah, so let's stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so Jaden got his hair cut today. So Jay, you ready for school? What are you most excited for?
To meet the new teachers.
That's it?
Yes.
That's the only thing you expect? Really?
I'm also excited how this year is gonna go as well.
Okay. Alright. Let's get to Malik. Alright guys, so this is Malik's haircut. You got a mohawk. Alright Malik, ready for school?
Yes and no.
What are you excited for?
What I'm excited for is mostly to get back in the classroom
And what else?
and seeing my friends again and not just online playing Roblox.
So there's no more Roblox. Now it's school time.
No, I mean like when we play Roblox together.
Okay. Alright. Alright guys, so you heard from the kids what they've that they're ready for school. I mean, even if they weren't ready, they don't have an option. So yeah, you heard from them. They got their hair done. Everybody got their hair done. So now I'm pressing Jaden's uniform. I in there my little spray bottle with water. So yeah, I'm doing that right now, which I don't like to do, but I don't have a choice but to iron. Only Jaden uniform though, because Nia and Malik uniform, they're sweatpants and polo shirts, so their uniform don't need to iron, thank God. But I need to do Jaden's uniform. The kids are in bed. No, they're not sleeping for sure, but they should be in bed. I'm just gonna finish these out, and then I'm doing literally 5 suits of uniform for Jaden, even though he's just going to school for tomorrow and Friday. I'm just gonna bust them out. Just gonna press all 5 and just get it out of the way, and on a Sunday then I'll just have 2 suits to press. Yeah, because I iron his uniform every Sunday. So yeah, I'll be back when I finish these uniform up, and then yeah, just finish these out so I can get rid of them, and then I'll come back. All right, stay tuned. All right guys, I am finally finished. So the uniforms are here. I'm gonna put them on hangers, and I think that's it for the night for me. So I don't know if I did mention school opens tomorrow in New York City. So tomorrow is the first day of back to school, and I had to iron his uniform. How is it that when our kids are going out, we iron their clothes? Why not iron their uniform? We have to set our priority, right? Priorities. So yeah, that's out of the way. So the kids are actually sleeping. I don't hear not one sound. We're gonna have to be waking up early in the morning for school tomorrow, and for the rest of the school year they're gonna have to wake up early. So that's done. Yeah, so that's it. So I did put Nia's and Malik's school supplies in their perspective bags. So I'll be taking these to school tomorrow with me. So yeah, so that's set. And I think that's it. And I know I did mention that I was gonna make 2 different videos for preparing to school on the first day of back to school, but I'm not gonna do that anymore. I'm gonna scrap that. I'm gonna continue this video tomorrow. So I'm gonna show you guys how the kids get ready in the morning for the first day of school, and then I'm gonna end the vlog tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Have a wonderful night. And again, I want to wish all these kids that are going back to school a happy first day of school. I wish God to pray to God that they have a good school year for the year 2022 to 2023. So yeah, I'll continue with this vlog tomorrow, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a wonderful night. See you in the morning.